Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Doogee S86 smartphone, and let me show how you can set the Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the settings. That's how the settings app look like. Here scroll down until you stumble upon the apps section, or as it is particularly called at this device, apps and notifications. Here, look for default apps section and go for it. At the default apps menu, choose the browser app, and all that it's left to do is to select Opera, and that will ultimately mean that we have successfully set it as our default browser. There is also the second way to do it directly from the Opera application itself, so let's go ahead and open it. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on this avatar, go for the gear icon, which stands for settings, and at the settings menu, look for the default browser, tap on it, click on next, select Opera and choose set as default. And that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!